All right, in this module, we're going to take a look at how to monitor GCS. First of all, we can use the general cloud monitoring tools of Google Cloud. GCS will send metrics over to cloud monitoring, and these are usually available per bucket. The way to find the metrics is to look for the prefix storage.googleapis.com/. The metrics sent include the API requests per method and response code, the authentication per authentication method and response code, or even per authentication key, however, that's in beta, access based on object ACLs, ACL operations per operation, object ACL changes, the received bytes per response code and per method, sent bytes per response code and method, total object count per storage class, and total byte count per storage class. We're not going to go further into cloud monitoring. Again, that's its totally own topic that you can take a look at another course. GCS also sends logs over to Cloud Audit Logs. There, they can be found under the service name storage.googleapis.com. The first log type is admin activity logs, and those contain operations that are modifying configuration or metadata. The other log is called a data access log, and that consists of three different types of operations. The admin read operations, which are reading configuration or metadata, the data read operations, which are reading objects, and the data write operations, which are writing objects. Besides using Cloud Audit Logs, GCS can also send usage logs as a CSV file to a target bucket. The usage logs are created on an hourly basis. However, log delivery can take some time, so the actual timestamp when the log is available is not known before it's there. These logs can easily be imported into BigQuery for further analysis. Also, storage logs are available. These basically give you a per bucket average byte size and are generated once per day. Nowadays, however, there is no real use for them, as you could use monitoring instead. GCS also allows you to monitor the used bandwidth. Now, why would you be interested in that? As it happens, there's a default bandwidth quota of 200 gigabits per second per project per region. This is excluding egress to the Cloud CDN service. In case your bucket is a multi-region bucket, the quota is actually only 50 gigabits per second. You can request a higher quota, up to 1 terabit per second, using the IAM quotas page. Higher than that, you need to contact your technical account manager. Finally, GCS can also send notifications of changes to objects as messages to a pub/sub topic. These notifications can then be used for automation of processes based on those changes. You can define the types of events that would trigger a notification, as well as the content of the notification.